Let me ask you something. Did you know that prostate cancer is the second most common cancer in men globally? Each year, it affects over 1.4 million men and leads to hundreds of thousands of deaths. But here's the silver lining. There is growing scientific evidence that diet can play a significant role in preventing prostate cancer. And today, I'll show you the top 5 natural foods you can include in your meals to help protect yourself or your loved ones from this disease. Now, why should you listen to this video all the way to the end? Because these aren't just any foods. These are powerful, nutrient-dense ingredients backed by scientific research. They've been shown to reduce inflammation, block cancer cell growth, support hormonal balance, and detoxify your body. And you probably already have some of them in your kitchen right now. If you're serious about disease prevention, or if you're already on a health journey, this information could change your life. Let's get into it, starting with tomatoes. Don't let their simplicity fool you. Tomatoes are one of the richest sources of lycopene, a potent antioxidant that has been extensively studied for its anti-cancer effects. Lycopene works by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, unstable molecules that can damage cells and lead to cancer over time. Here's something fascinating. Lycopene is more bioavailable when tomatoes are cooked. That means your body absorbs more of it from tomato sauce, paste, and soups than from raw tomatoes. So, go ahead and enjoy your homemade pasta sauce. Just be mindful of the oil and salt content. Multiple studies have drawn a strong link between high tomato consumption and reduced prostate cancer risk. One major analysis, published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute, found that men who consumed 10 or more servings of tomato products per week had a 35% lower risk of developing prostate cancer. That's huge. Other studies have shown that lycopene can help slow the progression of existing tumors, reduce prostate-specific antigen, PSA, levels, and support overall immune function. Broccoli and cruciferous vegetables. If you've been told to eat your greens, now you have an even better reason. Cruciferous vegetables, which include broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cabbage, are loaded with a sulfur-containing compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane has been shown to kill cancer cells without harming healthy ones. It also supports the liver in detoxifying carcinogens, chemical compounds that can cause mutations in DNA. One Harvard study found that men who ate broccoli more than once a week had a significantly lower risk of developing aggressive prostate cancer. That's not a typo. Just once a week can make a big difference. But of course, the more, the better. For optimal impact, try to consume cruciferous vegetables 3 to 5 times a week. Steaming or lightly sautéing them is the best way to preserve their nutritional value. Overcooking these veggies destroys the very compounds that make them so powerful, so keep it gentle. Before we move forward, if you're learning something valuable today, please take a second to subscribe to the Public Health Room and hit that notification bell. We post weekly health content designed to inform, inspire, and empower you to make choices that serve your long-term well-being. It's completely free, and by subscribing, you're helping spread awareness about issues that don't get enough attention. Now, onto green tea. Known for centuries in Asian cultures as a health elixir, green tea is finally getting the recognition it deserves in the West. And when it comes to prostate health, it shines bright. Green tea contains powerful antioxidants known as catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. These compounds work at the molecular level to inhibit cancer cell growth and reduce the risk of tumors. Several epidemiological studies have shown that populations with high green tea consumption, like in Japan and China, have lower incidences of prostate cancer. In lab studies, EGCG has been shown to suppress androgen activity. Androgens are male hormones that stimulate prostate cancer growth. By reducing androgen activity, green tea helps slow down or even halt the progression of cancer. A study published in Cancer Prevention Research found that men who consumed green tea extract daily had significantly lower PSA levels and fewer precancerous prostate lesions. Ideally, aim for 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day, unsweetened. You can drink it hot or cold, but avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners, which may counteract its benefits. Let's talk about fatty fish, including salmon, sardines, mackerel, herring, and anchovies. These fish are rich in long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in fighting inflammation, a known contributor to cancer development. Chronic inflammation damages tissues, causes oxidative stress, and can trigger genetic mutations. Omega-3s help counteract that. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that men with higher blood levels of omega-3 fatty acids had a 63% lower risk of developing aggressive prostate cancer. Omega-3s also improve cardiovascular health, brain function, and support mood regulation. If you're not a fan of fish, talk to your doctor about taking a high-quality omega-3 supplement derived from fish oil or algae. And now, pomegranate. This beautiful, ruby red fruit is packed with antioxidants, especially polyphenol, which protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. One study conducted at UCLA found that drinking 8 ounces of pomegranate juice daily significantly slowed the rate at which PSA levels increased in men with prostate cancer. Slower PSA doubling time means slower disease progression. In animal and lab studies, pomegranate extract has been shown to induce apoptosis in prostate cancer cells, essentially instructing them to self-destruct. You can enjoy pomegranate seeds in salads, yogurt, smoothies, or simply eat them on their own. Pomegranate juice is also great, but make sure it's 100% pure with no added sugar. Now that we've covered our top 5 powerhouse foods, let's dive even deeper. While these foods form the foundation of a prostate protective diet, your overall dietary pattern matters too. Here are a few bonus tips. Limit red and processed meats. These are high in saturated fats and chemicals that may increase cancer risk. Avoid excess dairy. High dairy consumption has been linked in some studies to higher prostate cancer risk. Eat more plant-based meals. Legumes, beans, whole grains, and seeds are rich in fiber and phytonutrients. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps your body flush toxins efficiently. Avoid excess sugar and refined carbs. They spike insulin and can lead to chronic inflammation. Also, don't forget about lifestyle. Diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Regular exercise, stress reduction, quality sleep, and annual medical checkups play equally vital roles. Men over the age of 50 or younger men with a family history should talk to their doctor about PSA screening. So let's recap the top 5 foods to prevent prostate cancer naturally. 1. Tomatoes, for their cancer-fighting lycopene. 2. Broccoli and cruciferous vegetables, with detoxifying sulforaphane. 3. Green tea, rich in EGCG that inhibits tumor growth. 4. Fatty fish, full of inflammation-fighting omega-3s. 5. Pomegranate, loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells. Remember, prevention is powerful. Making these foods a regular part of your diet could help you avoid not just prostate cancer, but a host of other chronic conditions. And if you're a woman watching this, share this knowledge with the men in your life, fathers, brothers, husbands, and friends. It might just save a life. If you've made it this far, I want to thank you for caring about your health. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button to support our mission at the Public Health Room. We're here to provide you with clear, actionable health guidance that's based on real science, not hype. Share this video, drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and let us know what health topic you want us to cover next. Until next time, stay strong, stay informed, and never underestimate the healing power of real food.